Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for northern Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, central Jefferson County in west central Pennsylvania, until 12:30 p.m. At 12:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles northwest of Punxsutawney, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Brookville around 12:15 p.m. Reynoldsville around 12:20 p.m. Brockway around 12:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Falls Creek, Werthville, Anita, Knoxdale, and Sickesville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. for the following county: Indiana, Pennsylvania. Weather Bulletin.